Hey friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review the Artis BT90. So let's move in. So friends, this is the box of the Artis BT90 portable Bluetooth speaker, and honestly friends, I'm doing this unboxing second time because I have mistakenly deleted the footage which I have taken first. So some of the things inside the box will not be same as the product you get from Amazon or Snapdeal. So let's check what's written on the box, then we'll move inside the box. So right on the top you can see 10 meters of operating range, mode, volume, track controls, cubicle design, USB reader, micro SD card, up to 5 hours of playback time. You can see FM radio, aux input also provided, and the speaker, same information given on this side. On this side also the same, some more over here, and here a picture about the speaker, how it looks, and some more stuff, FM radio, micro SD card, aux input support. So let's move inside the box now and let's check what you get inside the box. So you can see this is the manual and the aux cable. This is a leash, a sleek lanyard, so you can just carry this speaker properly with you, as this is a very portable speaker. This is your charging cable, micro USB, traditional charging cable you get with other speakers, and this is the speaker in the bubble wrap. This is your speaker. So friends, till the time I clean up all this mess, you can take a look at the speaker properly. So friends, this is the Artis BT90 out of the box, and first we are going to talk about the build quality and design of the speaker. Build quality wise, the whole speaker is made out of plastic, soft touch plastic, which feels quite good in your hand, and the fit and finish is also pretty good for the price you are paying, because there are no rough edges at all and nothing is rattling on this box. Everything is properly fit and is very well built, and the design is also good. As I've read on the box is written cubicle design, and as you can see it's kind of a rectangular design over here, but you don't get a speaker in the center of the speaker. You get a speaker on the sides of the speaker, only one side I think so. Over here you get a speaker unit, because this is a 3-watt speaker, so there is a speaker up over here. You can look the speaker in the camera also over here, and on this side there is all the buttons for the controls. I'm going to explain that. But moving on to the design, the design is pretty good for a rectangular shape, because as you can see it has all the curves over here. Everything on the speaker is properly curved, there are no hard corners at all, so the speaker is quite well built in my opinion, and for the price you are paying, this is one of the best built and designed speaker right now in the market. And moving on to the button layout, as you can see there is a panel up right over here, and you can see the panel is made out of plastic, and everything is so well built on the speaker. The fit is so good, the panel is so perfectly fit inside this grill. Like you can see over here, there are no rough edges at all. And let me just explain you about the button layout on the speaker. Like you can see, this is the play pause button, this is the mode button, this is changing tracks, changing volume from this button, aux input, your charging port, you get a USB port, micro SD card slot, you get an on off button, LED indicator for the battery, and you can see there is no speaker over here, just this panel over here. And the panel also well built, as I have said, and there is no rattling from the buttons or anything on the speaker. Doesn't have any kind of rattling. You can see the buttons are pretty tactile, they feel and they sound pretty good for the price you are paying actually. And now moving on to the features of the speaker. Features wise, Artis is having a back over here. The battery on this speaker is just mind blowing. For the price it's 1500 mAh on the speaker, and the playtime on the box is written 5 hours, but it's about 6 to 6.5 hours, because the speaker unit is pretty small, 3-watt speaker, but The battery is very big on the speaker. For a 3-watt speaker, it's pretty big. And the great part is the connectivity options. The big speakers like the Zook Jazz Blaster, JBL Pulse 3 doesn't get this type of connectivity options. Like on this speaker, you can see a USB slot, SD card slot, you get a aux input, you get an extra leash also, which you can tie up on this hook, so you can carry the speaker with you if you're going somewhere out. As this is the holiday season, you might be going somewhere with your family, so you can carry the speaker with you, because this is a very portable and a lightweight speaker. And 3-watt speaker, I don't think this will sound that loud. We'll move to the sound test and check how this 3-watt speaker sounds. So friends, I've connected the Artis BT90 to my Nexus 6P, and the name of the song is Hellcat by NCS, and the sound from my device is full. So now I'm going to play the song.
Like a Hellcat.
So friends, as you have heard the Artis BT90, we come to a conclusion that I'm pretty shook right now, because when I ordered this speaker, honestly I thought it would be a crappy kind of a speaker, because for the price you're paying, it's just 800 rupees. Like I got it for 800 rupees, now it's for 900 rupees, but 100 rupee difference doesn't make that kind of a difference. But under 1000 rupees you get such a great speaker with so good build quality, and the sound is pretty good. For the price you're paying, it's very loud. It doesn't sound like a 3-watt speaker, it sounds like a 10-watt speaker, and bass is pretty low. Like I didn't feel there is any kind of bass in this speaker, but the sound is pretty good. There is no distortion at all. It's very crisp, clear. You can hear each and everything. It might be sometimes that you hear a little bit of crackling sound, but if there is low battery at that time, the features provided on the speaker are pretty good. Like the connectivity options are superb. Right now I'm blown away with the sound of this speaker, the build quality and the connectivity options. Like so many stuff, Artis is giving you so many things at this price point, and this is one of the best packages I've ever seen. Any of you have a budget under 1000 rupees, just don't think about any other speaker, go for this speaker, because this is one of the best speakers I've ever heard. At this price point, this is giving you lots and lots of stuff. So friends, this is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the Artis BT90. Thank you for watching, friends.